Yeah, I would not have done that. Didn't like that one either. This one. Didn't like that one either. Oh, I see one.
As hard as it was to get it up here to begin with.
I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. Like right now, my pawn is right there where the bishop can take me, so. Okay, that's this video to understand the puzzle better. Yeah, I put the queen check.
Well, 6 p.m. quitting time. The door is in. The window is in. The walls are all covered. Now I have to get the tie back up on everything. But I've got a portion of the roof here that I am working on that has to be finished, but I'll do that tomorrow. And then I will show you how I do the floor. Well, to give you a little bit of an update on the addition, ignore the scraps of, no, puppy dog, get off. Jeez. Ignore the scraps of insulation. It's too good to throw away, so just stick it up there for the time being. What you're looking at is reflective insulation. Most people take this, put it up underneath. But I've seen some folks in severely cold climates do it this way. This is the subfloor, and I'm applying it to the subfloor, and then we'll be bringing in the floor in just a little bit and placing it down, just kind of working my way across. But I was told that once this is taped up and secured and caulked around the edges, no cold air will get through. Well, the first sheet of 1/2 inch is in, and I've got to get it screwed down. Then start bringing in the rest of it, and then the floor will be complete, and we'll go ahead and start installing the laminate, and then we will start on the walls. I think the lighting in here, Michelle is going to enjoy. This is a very bright LED. Got to get up. Of course, the ceiling rafters have to go in yet, so still quite a bit of work to be done around here. Okay, the floor is in. I've brought in laminate flooring now, which we'll start putting down, and we'll give you a view of that once it's finished. Well, a quick look around with the rain coming down outside. Kind of hard to see in here with the tools and everything I have in the room, but the laminate flooring is finished. I now need to do the electrical wiring, then the walls go up and the ceiling, and then we move the wood cook stove in, and that will be a video unto itself. Please subscribe, like this video, share it, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.